see the process of making silk petals. They are the finished petals.
In our warehouse, you will see flower heads in colors, yellow, pink, white, and so on. They are designed as tulips, roses, hydrangeas, and many other flower heads. Workers insert fake flower heads on branches. Then they package them as customers' requirement. In our exhibition hall, you can see the finished artificial flowers, which cover hundreds of kinds of flowers. Welcome to visit the factory.